Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm looking at RIDE. So RIDE has had some issues, Lordstown Auto, and you can see, let's go look at the chart real quick. It was doing really well. It came out at 10 bucks in a SPAC, and then it went up real high, and then it had some issues. Now I think they have most of their issues ironed out with Foxconn doing all the producing of their vehicles. So here's what I'm going to do. I think they're going to start producing vehicles here pretty soon. So by January 2023, I think they should be well underway. So I'm going to buy a couple of options here. I'm going to buy one at 2.5. That seems like a pretty good deal. Let's take a look at what that break even is. All right, so you can see here I'm going to pay quite a hefty sum for this little stock. Maybe that's not a good idea. Alright, so it's about 50% of the stock cost. Break even is 742. So if I were just to buy the stock outright, I could probably do better. So let's go back and let's look at, I could sell a put. That might be another thing I could look at. But let's go a month out. And let's look at the put for 50 cents. That's a pretty good deal, actually. So I'm going to go with that. If I get put the stock at $5, I'm okay with that. So I'm going to do... Actually, I'm going to go heavy. Because I'm really a believer in this company. Alright, so I'm going to go heavy in. I'm going to go 10. I'm going to sell to open. So I'm going to make 500 bucks on this. I'm risking $5,000. But this company has a bright future. If I get put the stock, awesome. I bought the stock at $4.49. As long as it doesn't go below that, making money. Okay, see, I got filled at 51 cents. Alright guys, be sure you guys subscribe. See how this turns out. Thanks for watching.